Okay, here we go, YouTube. Today I will be showing you a card trick I made myself. Let's examine a normal deck. Just show you it's a normal deck. No double cards or anything. Alright, what you're going to do, you're going to have a spectator choose a card. What's that? You want this card? Okay, take a look at your card. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to flip your card around and we will put it in the deck. We will give it some cuts. We'll give it another cut. And then we will do a little magic and we will give the deck one more cut. Flip the cards over and then we will fan them out. When we do this, you will realize there is one card flipped over. This might just so happen to be the card you chose. Now, I will be doing a tutorial. What you're going to do, it can be any card you want. Have them pick a card. In the case of this, it's the Ten of Hearts. We will lose that anywhere in the pack. If they take the whole card out, so be it. When they put it back, say you can put it back anywhere. Make sure it's halfway out. Now, when you're bringing it back, it should look like this. Push around like that, and right before you push it in, you're gonna pull it down like that so you can get a pinky break on it. And you're holding the deck like this now. You can see the pinky break there. And then when you're gonna do it, I do false cuts a lot now, so I'm just gonna make it look like a false cut, but in actuality it's not going to be a false cut. And you're going to bring the Ten of Hearts to the top, and then you can do a false cut just to keep the Ten of Hearts on the top. And if you don't know how to do a false cut, you can go to Miss Meg 822's channel and he can tell you how to do one. So once you do this, I made this part up. I got some help from other videos, but you're just going to pull the card down. You're going to have your hand over, and you're going to take the top card, and you will just pull it down with your fingers like that, and you'll have your other hand over, and you'll just push it over so it's upside down now on the bottom. Now you just, when I do that part, I usually do a fake sneeze, so because it is kind of loud when you do it like that, and then you just cut it. I just do a fake sneeze sometimes, but after you get it to the bottom like that, you just cut it, and then the card will be upside down. Alright, I hope you like it. You can call this trick whatever you want. I just made it by myself.